I played the lottery for many years. I did it because of the joy of playing and also for the hope of getting one of those important prizes and earn a good amount of money. However, despite having tried everything, I never had the winning ticket. I never won $1. The need I had to feel like a winner led me to experiment a huge variety of formulas and systems sold in the market as infallible methods to win the lottery. The truth is that besides being too complex because they included practically impossible mathematical formulas, I never got the winning numbers. Thus, I continued in the same situation. Seeing my anxiety and frustration each time I played my tickets, a friend of mine told me about a software called the Win the Lottery Method trademark and that many people had succeeded with it. Then I decided to try this system because it sounded interesting to me that compared with the others I had used, this was a software, not a manual with mathematical formulas. I purchased the Win the Lottery Method trademark and started using it immediately. One of the things I liked the most of this software is that it automatically calculates the combination of possible winning numbers. To me this was a big saving of time. With other systems, I remember that I spent minutes and even hours calculating mathematically the possible combinations of numbers that could be drawn. However, we must not forget that lotteries work randomly and depend a lot on chance, so, to me it was a bit difficult to believe that there is a system able to give the winning numbers automatically and thus break the operating mode of any lottery. Undoubtedly, this was something totally new in my life. I have used this system for more than 6 months and have obtained more than 10 winnings. I have to say that the Win the Lottery Method trademark is really incredible. I have never seen a tool with so many odds of matching and a huge scope as this software. Another aspect that really surprised me about the Win the Lottery Method trademark is that it's very easy to use. All you have to do is to create a user and you are ready to use it. This system is very easy to configure, it will take no more than a few minutes. Once it is configured, you can play any lottery in the world you want. In order to start playing, all you have to do is choose the lottery you want to participate in and the system will give you the combination of possible winning numbers which you have to play in your tickets. You might be wondering about the results I obtained with this system. The truth is that the first 5 times I played using this system, I obtained no winnings. Since I had bought several tickets and did not get the winning numbers, I started doubting the effectiveness of this system. However, I decided not to give up and give it a new chance. I took the necessary time and paid more attention to the steps I needed to follow with the system, and the next time I obtained my first winning, $3,785, 20 times higher than the amount I had invested in all the tickets I played ever since I bought the Win the Lottery Method trademark. With no doubts, this win encouraged me to keep playing and I became a regular player. Even though you not always obtain the winning numbers, the real secret is to play with persistence and regularity. I assure you that you have much to gain and very little to lose, as you not only will recover every penny you pay for this software, but also you will be able to earn a small fortune as long as you play wisely. Take into account that with the Win the Lottery Method trademark you will not always win. However, this system is able to increase your winning chances up to 85%, much more than what any system made to overcome the lottery can offer. Another advantage of this software is that you don't need to make big investments. You can bet a few dollars in different lottery games and win much more money than you have never imagined. I assure you that after having used it and verified it, I can't imagine playing the lottery without it. The price of the Win the Lottery Method trademark is really fair, and among the benefits you will obtain there are the bonuses. Besides, you will receive free updates for life, so this is a unique opportunity you can't miss. If you ask me the score I give to the Win the Lottery Method trademark, it is 9 out of 10, and just because I didn't obtain immediate winnings. If you want to know more about what this system can do for you, visit its website.